Major structural milestones have just been achieved at the stadium, and the transformation is accelerating. From the installation of the fourth radial beam shaping the future compression ring to the completion of an entire louver sector at South Goal, progress is becoming more visible with every phase. Let's take a closer look at the latest construction developments across the site. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed. This channel brings you daily stadium construction updates, showing every major milestone as it happens. Now let's move on to the construction. A major milestone has been achieved in the lateral section with the installation of the fourth radial beam and its supporting pillar. This significantly advances the compression ring structure. The compression ring framework is becoming more defined, and preparations are expected to begin for the fifth radial beam. Additional sandwich panels have also been installed in staircase and elevator areas along this facade. One corner sector at the South Goal is now fully completed with louver installation. In the adjacent sector, only a small number of upper louvers remain before completion. Cranes and lifting platforms are positioned nearby to finalize this work. Support brackets for louvers have also resumed installation in both lower and upper corner areas, filling previous structural gaps and preparing for further louver placement. At the South Goal, lifting platforms are actively operating between steel brackets and near the tower crane base. Workers are continuing structural adjustments at height. No new anchoring systems have been added in the lower sections, and previously painted black beams remain prepared for future louver support installations. The upper overhang glazing in the corner area is now fully completed. Noticeable progress has been made in sandwich panel installation around the staircase and elevator shaft structures. New panels have been added above the concrete sections near future elevator entrances. Additional panels are staged nearby, ready for installation. New connection plates for louver supports have been installed on multiple black structural beams in this corner. Previously limited to a single connection, the installation has expanded across central and right beams. Horizontal tubular structural elements are now visible in 3 levels, strengthening this section in preparation for further facade integration. In the Tribuna area, multiple large chrome-finished tubes are now positioned and ready for installation across different sections. Activity has resumed on the upper scaffolding levels, where workers are continuing structural adjustments. Work is progressing around the future elevator shafts, with preparations underway for sandwich panel installation along this facade. No major exterior cladding changes yet, but structural groundwork is actively moving forward. Additional louver support connection elements have been installed on the radial beams in this final corner. Compared to previous observations, progress is visible across central and right beams. 3 horizontal tubular levels are now integrated into the structure. Glass panels remain stored in large quantities in this area, and the red crane is positioned nearby, ready for future operations. In the diamond zone near the future store, large structural components have been delivered and stacked. However, facade glass placement remains the same as previous days, with missing panels still visible in the upper frontal section. No additional glazing progress is confirmed here yet. The North Goal sector shows limited facade changes. Mid-upper insulation finishing elements have been installed, while some sections remain pending. No new louver anchoring systems have been added. That wraps up today's construction progress update. If you want to stay fully updated with every structural milestone, facade installation, and major development, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next update. I'll see you in the next construction report.